Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard versus Battlefield 5. Vanguard takes you to less explored World War II battlegrounds, highlighting special operations and unique perspectives. Battlefield 5, on the other hand, delivers a more classic World War II setting with large-scale battles. Each game provides a unique campaign story and a variety of multiplayer options, catering to different player preferences in combat and historical immersion. When it comes to gameplay, Vanguard offers a quicker, more arcade-style combat flow, perfect for fast-paced action. Battlefield 5 leans into a slower, more tactical approach, emphasizing squad play and strategic objectives. Both titles provide robust weapon customization systems, allowing players to fine-tune their loadouts with hundreds of attachments and modifications to suit their individual playstyles on the battlefield. Regarding content, Vanguard delivers a compelling single-player campaign, a robust multiplayer suite, and the popular Zombies cooperative mode. Battlefield 5 also features an engaging campaign, alongside its signature large-scale multiplayer battles and a distinct battle royale experience. Both games boast a diverse collection of maps and various objective-based modes, ensuring plenty of replayability and different ways to engage with the action. Visually and audibly, both Vanguard and Battlefield 5 are stunning, offering high-fidelity graphics and immersive soundscapes that pull you into the action. Battlefield 5 often stands out with its extensive environmental destruction and dynamic weather effects, adding another layer to its large-scale engagements. To truly elevate your gaming experience, consider checking out the smart speaker deals and other great offers linked in the description below. They can really bring your game audio to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.